How can we grow potatoes to yield large and plentiful crops without cracking? Today, I'll share a tip for maximizing potato production. When potatoes have just sprouted, it's crucial to fertilize them with phosphorus and potassium fertilizer once a week, or you can use wood ash as a substitute. This promotes faster growth and enhances tuber vitality. When potatoes begin to flower, remember to remove the flower buds to reduce nutrient consumption. This allows more nutrients to flow to the underground tubers, promoting their growth and increasing yields. Do you have any other tips to share? Let us know in the comments. Thank you.